Hi friends, welcome to Happy Tech. How are you all? I hope you all are good. In today's video, we are going to start the course for C language as it is the most basic and most important programming language. So, I will be posting a series of videos on C programming and will try to complete it. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this and press the bell icon to never miss any update from this channel. So let's get started. Before we actually start with the course, we should know what is C language, why to learn C, facts and application about C language. So let us start. C programming is a general purpose procedural computer programming language which is developed in 1972 by Dennis M. Ritchie at Bell Laboratories to develop Unix operating system. Now, what is procedural programming language? So, in procedural language, the program code is written as a sequence of instruction and user has to specify what to do and also how to do means step by step procedure. These instructions are executed in a sequential order. These instructions are written to solve a specific problems. Now C is also a most widely used computer language. It is advised to beginner to learn C as their first programming language. C will teach you a lot about memory management, how hardware interacts with software, how addressing works and a lot more. These are very useful topics to be familiar with. C programming language is must for student and working professional to become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in software development domain. Let us look at some advantages of using C. First, it is very easy to learn. So, due to the simpleness of syntaxes and straightforwardness of the language, it is very easy to learn. Next, it is a structured language. So, in structured programming language, we follow a particular structure to write the program code and it aims at improving clarity, quality and development time of the program. Third, it is very fast. C is really fast because it is a compile time language. It is actually one of the lowest level high level language and C is kept close to the design of computer. It is a portable language. If you write a code in C and in your machine, it will run on any machine which supports C without modifying a single line of the code because it is not tied to any hardware or system. That's why C is called portable language. Efficient programs. So, efficient programming is a programming in a manner that when program is executed and it uses low amount of overall resources from computer hardware. It can also handle low level activities means it's give you a great control over memory layout and raw access to the pointers. Now let us talk about some facts about C. C was invented to write an operating system called Unix. C is a successor of B language which was introduced around early 1970s. The language was formalized in 1988 by American National Standard Institute. The Unix OS was totally written in C. Today, C is the most widely used and popular system programming language. Today's most popular Linux operating system and RDBMS MySQL have been written in C. C programming is best known programming language. C programming is near to machine as well as human, so it is called middle level programming language. C programming can be used to do variety of tasks such as networking related, operating system related, creating applications, database and many more. Let's go through some of them. Operating system. C was initially used for system development work, particularly the program that make up the operating system. As I have already told you, Unix is developed in C. Later on, Microsoft Windows and various Android applications were scripted in C. Language compiler. Several popular compilers were designed using C, such as Bloodshed Dev C, Clang C, and Apple C. Text editor. VI editor, the father of all the editors, is written by Bill Joy in C language. If you want to learn basic VI commands, please check my another video on basic VI or VIM commands. I will provide you link in the description box. Notepad, most popular Windows editor and is also written in C. It is no more than 50 lines of pure C. Can you believe this? Network drivers. C is used to develop network driver for Ethernet card in Linux. Embedded system. The C programming language is considered an optimum choice which come to scripting application and drivers embedded system as it is closely related to machine hardware. Modern programs. Browser like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chromium and email client like Thunderbird are open source projects. They were written in C. Database. MySQL again being an open source product used in database management system and was developed in C. Language interpreter. The Python, very famous language. The interpreter of this language is also written in C. In recent years, C has been used as a general purpose language because of its popularity with programmers. The reason behind this is C is closer to machine as well as humans. So guys, today I gave you a brief introduction about C. Through the entire course, we will be learning about C tokens, keywords, variables, how to take input from user, then how to print that. Then we will learn control structures like if-else statements, switch, then the most important loops. Then we will move to functions, arrays, pointers, strings, structures and then finally file handling and C preprocessors. So that much an introduction. I hope now you have a clear idea about why to use C language. So from the next video we will start with our main course. If you have enjoyed this video and want to hear me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Please like the video, share it with your friends. If you have any feedback, please write it in the comment section. Till that, keep learning, keep motivating. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.